All right, you guys, so everyone's favorite, we got some compound HIIT. I know you guys have been loving it, everything compound, so great. Working 2 different muscle groups at the same time, burning double the amount of calories, throwing in some HIIT in there, high intensity interval training, so much fun. So stay tuned, it's gonna be great, you're gonna sweat. Okay, so the first one, we're working that chest. We're gonna do a push-up, and then what we're gonna do is a T-bar push-up. So you're gonna go all the way down, then you're gonna open all the way up your chest, stretch it out, and then bring it back down. If you have to do it on your knees, I'll show that as well. So the first one, high plank, push-up, and you're taking it all the way up and over, stretching it out, going back down. If you need to, drop it down, you're here, and then you're taking it all the way up. Each push-up to each lift is 1, you're looking for 10. So we're lighting up our chest, the front part of our shoulder, and then giving it that nice little stretch into that rotate for our abs and the obliques. All right, so everyone's favorite, we got a burpee, and not only are we doing a burpee, but we're doing a burpee and a tuck jump. You do not have to do the push-up at the bottom. If you want to just jump back into a high plank, you have that option. And then I'll show you also a step back version and then a leg lift version instead of that tuck jump. So here we go. Now if you're not doing this today, you're just gonna stand all the way up, step it back, step it up, and then crunch in those knees. But if you can, we're here. We're looking for 10. Magic number today is 10. Grab a little bit of water, towel off, get ready for what's next. All right, so we got inchworm to mountain climbers. You're standing tall, you're walking your feet all the way out. Once you get to that high plank, you're doing 6 mountain climbers. Then you're walking it all the way back in and up. Magic number is 10. You are hitting 6, so driving that knee on each side 3 times. 6 total, walking it back in. Sucking that belly button up in your spine. All the weights in your heels, you're gonna feel a lot in those hamstrings. Whew, and surprisingly, it gets your heart rate going. All right, so we're gonna do a squat and a thrust. So I have my weights, I have my feet about shoulder width apart. You can either hold your weights here or put them right and stack them on top of your shoulders. You're hitting that squat on the way up, shoulders. Inhale down, exhale up. All the weights in the heels, belly button is sucked up and into the spine, and I'm controlling the weights on the way back down to my shoulders. So before we're doing 10 of everything. And our last little exercise we have is a little bit of a burnout. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna die through it together, so it'll be all Gucci. All right, so we got our kettlebell. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hit a thrust, and then we're gonna hit a upright row. So you're dropping it all the way down. You're taking it up, squeezing. Once you're here, you're gonna hit that row. So I'm fully hitting that thrust, dropping it down, taking all the weight out, standing up, and upright. You're making sure you're putting all of your weight in your heels, activating those glutes, coming up to a V, hitting that shoulder. Are you feeling the pump yet? Are you feeling the endorphins? Oh yeah. All right, so we're gonna hit that deadlift. So slight bend in the knees. Remember, like an elevator with the upper part of your body. Once you get to the top, side lunge. My chest stays tall the whole entire time. My back stays straight. You're looking for 5 on each leg, 10 total. And like I was talking to you about earlier, we're about to go do our burnout. So much fun, so exciting. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're using ropes. It's gonna be great. We're gonna work for 30 seconds on. So you got 5 rounds of 30 seconds. What we're gonna be doing is we're squatting and using our ropes. So it's gonna take a minute. I'll show you 2 different ways to how to get it going. But first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna find a little bit of a squat. You're gonna start moving your arms. Once you move your arms, you're gonna come all the way down. And only coming up halfway down. So I'm staying in a squat that whole time. My core stays tight, all the weight is in my heels. If you can't bend down, then I just want you to stay here, 90 degrees, and move those arms. If you want to do double, you have that option. 5 rounds, 30 seconds. All of them, you're doing each round 10 reps, right? 5 times through, and you're gonna kick it over here at the end. It's gonna get that heart rate going. It's gonna put a lot into the shoulders, and then staying at 90 degrees is really gonna light up those glutes. So that's why we do it at the end, a little bit of a burnout. As you can see, I'm dying, my heart rate pretty high, too high for me to name right now. Like, subscribe. If there's anything you want to see, talk about, you can always post it right down below. You can DM me on my Instagram. As always, guys, like, subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.